exact feelings right now as you walk down the airport and then ride on a plane and make it back?
Feeling of unbelief a little bit because it has been so many months coming, and now that it's finally here, now that I'm finally going, I'm taking the plane. It's so surreal, and to see so many fans and supporters here. Thank you so much, guys. You guys make this all so worth it, and I love being able to represent you guys. And I hope to make you all proud.
I love the look. May pagka-Thailand yung look natin. With pieces of Thailand, yeah.
Something as an ode to beautiful country where we're going, so I'm so excited.
Right. Walang kaba, Kat, going to this competition?
I'm just excited. Really, I'm just really excited for the new experience, to see where my roommate is, to meet the girls, and to just start this journey.
Your message to the Filipino fans, please.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Your trust and your support in me has been so overwhelming throughout this whole journey, and it's made every step worth it. I hope that you continue to support me both in Miss Universe on December 17, and I hope to make you all proud. Mahal ko kayo sobra.
Kat, we just need to get you a profile shot ng malinis for the camera.
Ay, ang ganda.
Wow!
Panalo na!
Thanks, Kat. Salamat. Thank you.
Sige. Miss Universe 2018.
Is it possible for us to do group photos?
Yes!
If we can just be orderly about it lang.
Group photo na lang. Group photo lang.
Guys, atras muna kayo para mga picture.
Excuse me. Sino po?
Guys, formal line. Oh, wait, guys, let's be organized para do this orderly. Groups of 10.
Ay, mga girls, pila kayo na maayos para
Girls, guys, let's do this organized. Para what? Yeah. Para everyone can have an equal chance to have a photo op with Kat.
Pila.
Mama Sam! Asan ba ito sa Mama Sam? Abala ka dyan.
Pila.
Picture na may flash siya. Ano may flash? Sam.
Guys, group of 10. Guys, group of 10. Guys, let's do this.
Ayan, ganyan sa sana.
Okay na yan. Next na. Next.
Ano ba tayo member kay pangalan nito? Mami, join tayo sa actor.
Okay na po. Guys. Next. Guys. Guys. Let's do. Guys, ayusin natin yung pila. Guys, ayusin natin yung pila.
Ako, mami.
Guys, dito ang pila, dito ang exit. Okay, para maayos.
Doon ang pila.
Doon ang pila. Doon ang pila, exit dito. Next, group of 10, group of 10. Guys, next.
Guys, next na. Okay, next.